Alright, so this problem is asking for what mass of CuSO4 is required to make up this volume of this concentration CuSO4. So all of these problems are based on this equation, that is molarity or concentration, which are the same thing, is equal to moles divided by volume in liters of solution. So it's always moles over volume. Now in this particular instance we need mass. Now if we need mass, then my first target is going to be moles. That's always what I'm looking for. If I'm not sure where to go, I always go for moles. So mass will be able to come from moles, I know that. So my first target unit is going to be moles. Now if I want to get moles from here, what I would do is say moles equals molarity times volume in liters. Alright, so moles equals molarity times volume in liters. Now what that means is that I've got a molarity here, 2.50 molar. I've got a volume here in milliliters, which I know I can easily convert to liters. But it doesn't really matter which of these I start with because I'm going to end up multiplying them. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start with the molarity, but I'll express that as 2.50 moles over liters. So big M is always moles per liter, so I can express this 2.50 big M as 2.50 moles over liters. Now what I'm going to do is multiply this by the volume. The volume I'm given here is in milliliters, as 153.0 milliliters, and I know to multiply it because I know I need moles. And at the moment I'm not able to actually get my target unit, which is going to be moles, by multiplying what I have here. I'm going to move this down a little bit. And what I'm going to have to do is find a way to get rid of the liters and the milliliters here, so I end up with moles. So what I'll do is I'll say, okay, I need to get rid of liters, so I'll put liters up here. I need to get rid of these milliliters, so I'll put that down here. So now I just need a relationship between the liters and the milliliters, and what I know is 1 liter is equal to 1,000 mils. So what you can see I've done there is I've cancelled everything and I'm left with moles. So if I have moles at this point. But that's not what I want from the problem. What I want is grams. Alright, so I continue on. I know I'm going to get rid of my moles to get grams. So I'll put moles down there. I'll put grams on top because that's what I want. Now I need a relationship between these, and what I know is that 1 mole is equal to the molecular weight in grams. It's 159.62. And that's going to end up giving me my answer. Now as far as significant figures go, this has 5, this has 4, this has 3 significant figures, so my answer comes out to 3 significant figures. And that's how I get it.